Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. And the big dynamic that happened today was the price had been trying to consolidate out, and it was doing a good job. I mean, you look here through the history of the chart, and I mean, yeah, the price had still pulled back, but at least it had started to go sideways. So at this point, it became a valid question of, all right, maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom that's finally forming. Maybe the price is getting ready to turn itself back around. But that was all just, wiped away today with the gap down. So that in and of itself has now created a couple of key levels. And that first key level is just up here at 14 cents. And this is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And 14 cents was essentially right around that bottoming area of a couple, previous days. But now with the price now well below there, if there is any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, 14 cents now becomes that main area that you're going to want to keep an eye on as a resistance area. But as of right now, really just a question of, can the price at least start to go sideways and continue to go sideways so that there becomes more and more evidence that, maybe this is some sort of bottoming formation right now. But as of right now, before you really talk about any other price levels from the upside direction, it's all about 14 cents and first step being, first off, can the price even get to that level? And if it does, is the price going to have enough strength to be able to push up through it and stay above it? So keep a close eye on that with any sort of, like I said, attempted bounces to the upside. As far as levels of support are concerned, got to squeeze down the chart here to just offer up a little bit of perspective here and to show that it has been, I suppose, this may be all-time lows, but you can see here it's definitely multi-month lows, meaning the price has not been down here for many, many months, if ever. Again, this might be all-time lows, but regardless, the price has now finally started to go sideways here, right around the 11 cent area. So 11 cents is going to be an important area, but if the price then drops below there, then that's just that just represents more bleeding to the downside, which is obviously not any sort of sign of an attempted bottoming formation. But overall, rough way to start the week, but the week is young. We'll see if the price can try to get things stabilized and maybe turn around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.